So while I remove this panel, I showed you with that, I had the 4 10 mils. One there, one there, one there. I'm gonna try to stitch this together and show you how to get to the camera. You gotta unplug the camera from here. All right, and once you have this popped off, I'm gonna try to hack up this video doing it this way. So this will be how to remove factory camera, which is right there. You got 2 10 mils on the outside, right after you remove all these guys and pop it out of the socket. So Rav4, and we're going to show you how to take apart that back door hook right in the corner, right in the corner, and drop it on the floor. Now, should be 10 mils. 10 mils. Let's take them out. With 4 10 mils taken out, next is your other tools. Let's pull, pull, and pull. Now, she doesn't want to get separated. We want to get separated. There you go. This hooks onto there, this top one. So that's how you separate the two. Now, pull this side. Also wants to get separated. A little turning, a little pulling, a little prying. There you have it. You see? Love Toyota. And it will go back with no problems, because that's how good they are. Now, with everything out of the way, let's see if it just falls onto your head, and grab it. And there are no lights on this one. And there you go. There's your hatch door panel. So unfortunately for Toyota, or for us actually, Toyota decided to say, hey, we're gonna put this plastic trim panel over the taillights, so you have to remove this to get your taillights out. Isn't that nice of Toyota? See how nice they are to us? So let's remove this guy and see how much more work we need to do. So I see a push pin, probably a 10 mil somewhere up there. Let's see what happens if we start pulling and prying. Found them. They are sitting on an angle right there. Can you see that 10 mil poking its head? Kind of dark. Woo! There you go. There's another one right over here. So let's get those two guys out and see if this puppy just pops right out. I got a magnetic tip. That's what she said. So I don't want this to fall, so I'm going to use that. But you can be careful and have both hands in there. One in here and one over here with the gun. So let's get this guy out. 2 more 10 mils that are right there. Looks like it's for the door, but it actually is sort of isn't, because with the washers, I took this out. Let me show you. You've got 10 mil on this side, which is nice, right? These were clipped into the actual tail light. So let me show you. See, these are the 10 mils that you took out. 10, 10, 10, all right? That is your factory camera with the 2 10 mils. We have to remove after you remove these 4 10 mils. And I just showed you how to do this door panel. I'm gonna try to stitch it all together, make it look like I actually know what I'm doing, and we will say, so like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.